Modern disaster risk management demands focus on managing risk rather than managing disaster per se. With the increase in hazard exposure and vulnerability, coupled with climate change, the intensity and frequency of disasters are rising, which causes huge economic losses for developing countries. The natural resources which are meant for development then are used for recovery in the aftermath of any disaster. In this background, holding of this workshop on disaster risk financing is very timely, where the stakeholders will deliberate upon the discipline of disaster risk financing and bring out solutions which could be useful for the countries in bringing financial resilience to face the challenges caused by disaster losses. I congratulate National Institute of Disaster Management for organizing this workshop and wish the workshop a great success.
Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India has constituted a national platform for disaster risk reduction for bringing all the stakeholders at one place and deliberate upon the subject. In this context, there is a third platform of the national NPDRR is going to be organized in the month of May. One of the pre-events National Institute of Disaster Management is organizing on disaster risk financing, insurance and risk transfer in Mumbai on the 13th of February 2020 along with Insurance Institute of India. The idea of building financial resilience is important, and we have drawn this from the Prime Minister 10-point agenda for the disaster risk reduction. Also, the experiences of different countries who have taken this as a kind of a tool, financial tool for their building resilience, say Mexico, Philippines, Turkey, and many more. In this particular workshop, in which we have invited insurance companies, reinsurance companies, multilateral organizations, World Bank, ADB, United Nations, along with the state governments, national government, professionals, academia. You all are cordially invited to attend and deliberate upon and make it a success. Thank you.
I'm happy that the Insurance Institute of India and the National Institute of Disaster Management are collaborating in conducting this workshop on disaster risk resilience and insurance. These two organizations have been collaborating over the last 10 years and conducting collaborative workshops, joint researches, as well as providing speaker support to each other. This particular workshop, which is coming up on 13th February 2020, is of great significance because it draws under one roof a lot of experts from the insurance sector, from reinsurance companies, from disaster management from across the states, as well as policymakers from the government. I hope that this workshop has many positive outcomes. In particular, I feel that this workshop would pave the way for collection of reliable data from across the country at grassroots levels, using all the mechanisms that the government has, as well as the reach of the insurance companies. This data is important as per my view, because that would make insurers understand disaster risk better. It would help them in assuming disaster risk with greater confidence, as well as it would help insurers design their own strategies in spreading the risk across multiple geographies, that is across many countries, using the reinsurance mechanism. I wish this workshop all success. Thank you.